Bia Kamal ka Noor online TV channel. Ke jan gwas me banari ka dana chitogre wik ka South Sudan karum bake nos. Gwas mi cha gadul gora dangro cha connectin. Jan dana gora no ba nyoka yekel. Ano. Ko gor kono ban mo dana ro dangaj. Gor jeno jindiri channel me diri subscribe tin. Ko de ladin kono ba no gwas mi de kan chamala chukuya. No. Rega shoda lat gwasa mo shala do ke dinye kani den kontin makana tin maka gadul gora wagwe ki jeno chere mi dera riven ka kani to kona la jang shala do nena cha gadul gora dangro shaka na ke dinye pe wich ka South Sudan kana ka Rumbek nos kani tin kontin na kani to ke dinye wa kani to takamach kani to kona gadul gora shala do beka Luanjang community beka Luanjang ajan gwa dan beka tin man chala netin kontin tila jukuma ka Tony East County jan gwa dan togre kamatin ka Warab State wa ken me kene dul gorm shala ma pere primary school netin chanak ram shala ma wun malek chol karam do dien mishala ma gok ma yuen gok kenetin ka dul gor kona chanak shala do tele ka mech na kere ruob gwada danen ngoy kenetin man chaga pere ketene dinye ka shwala do shine bakel shukan ngwaire ruob tela gadul gorga wacha ko jikbo kan ne kon ilu kanero na chala do kume South Sudan ja Korean gorga gwada danen tiketin ka de ka kep dino kan kejek wud dan la Rumbek North County Commissioner wud chala Moses Maker janetin kontin nakana ajani naka ka tieka office kade ajene jan gwada nakatin two primary school people were killed and 6 others fled into a nearby bush after an attack by army youths in Rumbek North County, Lagos State on Sunday afternoon. The incident occurred around 1:30 p.m. shortly after church services. The attackers believed to be from the Luanjang community in Tony East County, Warab State, targeted people from Mapere Primary School. The victim, identified as Maud Malek Chol Mariel Wol and Gok Mayuen Gok, were unarmed and reportedly killed in a forested area. The 6 other people were later rescued. Tony East County Commissioner Makur Dol Ajok confirmed the attack, stating that government forces are searching for the perpetrator. He emphasized that the victims were civilian and that the incident occurred in a swampy area. We are pursuing peace between Rumbek North and Tony East, but this attack has disrupted ongoing dialogue, he said. Rumbek North County Commissioner Moses Maker recounted that the attackers ambushed the people near his office. He urged communities to avoid retaliation, calling for calm and cooperation between Warab and Lake State. I have spoken to the family of the victim and local chief to prevent further violence, he said. Civil society activist Daniel Latkon expressed concern over the attack, noting that it undermined recent peace agreement between Luanjang and Pakam community. He called for the perpetrator to be held accountable and urged both sides to refrain from revenge attacks. Korme toga kam jane korodien re which ka Warab State kulela Rumbek jan gwadra na ka gadul gorkatin re wike South Sudan liya karo aditinone namani ka jang korodien ka community niken kontin don te ka ral ngi mi ene gwa biata kamal babay